Hello, today we're going to be talking about democratic peace theory, otherwise known as how democracies align with one another. So to start, first, what is democracy? Well, democracy are states who have gotten at least 10 years with free election and political rights. Most democracies solve problems through compromise, and they try to externalize or push that idea onto other democracies to make for easier communication. Democracies have also been known to be less confrontational with other democracies, leading to suggest there may be a relationship there. So to test this relationship, I came up with the hypothesis in simple words, saying if you have two democracies, they're going to be more frequently teaming up or forming an alliance over, let's say, a democracy and a non-democracy. So to test this hypothesis of mine, I broke up 3 states in 3 regions of the globe. You have the Middle East, South Asia, and Eastern Europe, with the addition of the United States, since they are a major global player. Then I determined whether a state was free or a democracy. In the case of this study, partially free states were included with the free states. So second, I compared each state in the region with a major actor who was influenced to determine if they were allies or not. In the Middle East, they were compared to Iran and the United States. In South Asia, you have India, China, and the United States. And in Eastern Europe, you have Russia and the United States. The democracies in these being the United States and India, and the non-democracies being Russia, Iran, and China. So, the findings. Out of the 42 pairings, 10 pairings were both democracies and allies, compared to only 1 pairing that was both democracies but not allies. And that 1 pairing was Pakistan and India, which over their long history have had several fights over territorial disputes and can almost be thrown out or discontinued. So, what to do with this information? Well, if you have using a data analytic called the chi-square calculator, you can test out whether if this data is a pattern or if it's just happening by random chance. So putting in the data into the chi-square calculator, you get 2 sets of numbers. You get a chi-square value that lets you know if there's a pattern going on, and you get a p-value that also reinforces the idea if there's a high or low probability that this data could happen by chance. In the case of this data, I had a very high chi-square value, meaning that the data is, or there is a pattern here, and a very small p-value, which says that there is a low probability that this could happen by chance. So overall, the hypothesis saying that when you have 2 democracies, they're going to be forming an alliance more frequently than, say, a democracy and a non-democracy holds true.